friends, this week we are making bird-themed crafts. So today I'm going to show you how to make a natural looking bird nest. These nests are really easy to make. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. The supplies I'm using for making are a balloon, podge, and a foam brush, natural twine, green moss, colored raffia, green, brown, yellow, any natural color, small twigs, scissors, glue, tape, marker, and pushpin. Glass jar too. For decoration, I'm using plastic eggs, a bird, and we got those from Dollar Tree. Blow your balloon and tape it onto the glass base to make it easy to work on. Take a marker and draw a line on the balloon to see how big you want your nest to be. Take some Mod Podge in a bowl and start applying it on the balloon. Now take your twine and raffia, twist it and soak it a little in the Mod Podge. Now start wrapping it around the balloon. Make sure you add a good amount of glue to keep the twine to stick on the balloon. Just keep wrapping, add more natural looking stuff you could find like twigs or hay or leaves. Try to cover the surface by adding more twine. If you see more white spaces, just cover it up with more twine, raffia, or green moss. Once you think it's fully covered, apply again a layer of Mod Podge on the whole surface. Now we need to wait till it dries completely. So we waited for a full 1 day, and now it's time to pop your balloon. Are you ready? Take your pushpin and just poke it. Let's take the balloon pieces out carefully. Look at that! This looks really realistic. And now it's time to decorate your bird nest. Fill this realistic looking nest with all the things you feel like it should be having. Maybe dried leaves, hay, some green moss, rocks. You can keep some colored plastic eggs. You can keep a bird. You can keep twigs too. You can use this bird nest to add some natural decor to your home, or it can be used for Easter decor as well. Hope you like this bird nest DIY. See you in our next video. Bye!